guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're not going to be opening cards. We're going to be seeing which one is harder to open. And the first one we're going to be opening is the Matchbox. So what I like about this one is I don't like the Matchbox. Well, I'm not going to say it yet. I'm going to say it at the end of the video, but I like how it has two wheels on the back and there's a tire right there. And it has this bar thing. Anyways, and the next one we're going to be opening is a Lamborghini pace car. So this is the Lamborghini pace car, and what I like about it is the police horns, and it looks like a Ferrari kinda. So in my opinion, which one is easier is the Hot Wheels, and the one that's harder for me is the Matchbox. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on the post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!